Having a new baby is exciting, but it can also bring worries about whether your baby is developing properly. Parents are always concerned about their child's health. They want to make sure they are happy and grow well. Here are some signs that show your baby is growing well and reach important milestones. Weight gain is an important sign that your baby is growing normally. In the first few months, babies gain about half a pound each week. If your baby is gain weight steadily, that is a good sign of health. Length growth is another sign that your baby is grow normal. Most babies grow about 1 inch each month in their first 6 months. If your baby is getting longer, that is a good sign of healthy growth. Milestones are important steps in your baby's development. By 2 months, your baby starts smile and make sounds. By 6 months, they sit up with help and reach for toys, showing they are grow well. Eating well is a sign that your baby is healthy. A good baby will feed well and seem satisfied after eating. A happy and content baby is a good sign of health. They may cry when they need something. If your baby seems cheerful and relaxed, they are likely grow well. If you see that your baby is not gain weight, it is best to talk to your doctor. They can help you understand what might be wrong and give you support. You can use iron supplement drops help provide extra iron for babies and young children. They are important for healthy growth and keep their blood strong. Enfamil iron multivitamin drops support babies 6 to 24 months as they transition to solids foods, helping to fill in nutrient gaps. It has 8 essential vitamins and iron to support your little one's growing brain and body. It supports brain health, bone health and immune health of your baby. So by watching these signs of a healthy baby, you can feel more confident that your little one is growing well.